lady sitting right there. I got like an investigate 911 here.
I don't feel comfortable with you in my room, if you wouldn't mind stepping out of there.
Okay.
No offense, I just don't trust cops, sorry. I know you're not here for a 911 thing.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In December of 2022, officers Southwell and MacLaughlin of the Moline Police Department can be seen on their body cams creeping around the exterior of a viewer's home in the dark.
I got a lady sitting right there.
The officers split up to look through each side of the home, watching the two female occupants. Meanwhile, on the other side of the house, Officer MacLaughlin peers into another window, only activating his body cam as he emerges from between the neighboring homes. The 30-second buffer records a portion of his activities before both men approach the front door.
She was talking to someone. I couldn't tell who she was talking to.
The unsuspecting residents had just returned home from a store trip, and at first, they didn't hear the knocks on the door.
What's his name? Who? What's his name? Trevor? This guy? Yeah. You keep knocking, I'll see if I can get in that window again. She was talking to somebody.
After watching the women for a moment, he knocks on the window. The officer returns to the front door after getting the attention of the residents.
Oh, I'm cold.
I know, it's terrible.
Oh, come on.
He's hiding.
She's fucking swimming. Oh.
Hi.
Hello, my name is Officer Southwell, Police Department. Is it okay if I step in?
Yeah, come on in.
Please.
Yeah. Goodness gracious, it's freeze out there.
Please.
What can we help you with today? Hello.
They're very friendly, but they will run off. This one will run off.
The officers immediately lie to the women, explaining that they were there to investigate a 911 call.
Alright, good. The reason we got like an investigate 911 here. I don't know if you have a device been accidentally calling or.
No, we were just at the store.
Yeah.
Okay.
We weren't even home.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Is it
Are you sure it's up? Is it
Yeah,
Cyrus?
yeah, I was just Cyrus. Is it just you two that are here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the dogs.
No, we literally just got back from the store.
Okay.
Does anybody else live here with you?
My daughter, but my daughter's at my other daughter's house because she just had surgery.
Okay.
So she's staying the night at her house. We don't even have a landline.
Yeah, we don't even have a
here.
landline.
Oh, really?
No, that's why I'm like, I don't think you have the right house. Like, what address are you looking for? Yeah, that's us.
That's where they send it. So a lot of times when like cell phones or something plot, they'll give us a coordinates.
Oh.
Yeah, that could be.
So it could have been somebody on the street.
Yeah.
It could have been. Is it okay if we just make sure that no one else is in the house with you guys?
You can walk wherever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
We just get a lot of domestics for the guy.
No, you just
Doesn't
look all around.
Doesn't seem like this is the case, but
Yeah. That's so weird.
What's up there? Her room? The other
That room. You can go up there.
Well, you check up there. I'm not sure what's there.
As one officer checks the upstairs, the other investigates the lower level. As the situation sinks in, the more it doesn't make sense, and Nerdy Pink Panda begins recording the encounter.
I don't know what you want from me.
So, like, it was just like a 911
Yeah.
coming from here?
we get them all the time. But
Like, was there like anybody on the other end, or just like an accidental like butt dial thing?
I'd have to ask our dispatch. They're the one that receives the call. We just. Yeah.
I don't feel comfortable with you in my room. If you wouldn't mind stepping out of there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is there a reason?
No, no offense. I just don't trust cops. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's a very small room. You can see from there.
The officers respect the request to not enter the room, and Nerdy Pink Panda continues to record.
I was just gonna check the closet. Is that okay?
No, I prefer if you didn't. I can go in there and I can lift my curtain for you, but no one in here.
I can't see.
I'm like,
Okay.
The officers eventually see their way out, and one of the officers finally notices that he's being recorded.
Alright guys, so just you two?
yep.
Yeah.
Are you recording me?
Do you want to look in my room? My room's right there. You're welcome. Welcome to open the door. It's a very tiny little room with a tiny little bed and closet. There's nothing else to it.
Why are you so nervous around us?
I'm not. I
don't understand.
I think she's had bad experience in the past. She's my roommate, and she's had bad experiences in the past.
It's just two cops show up in the middle of the night with not really any explanation other than a 911 call. We let you in. We're courteous. Just covering my own ass, covering my roommate's ass. Just
Okay.
yeah.
Unable to turn nothing into something, the officers reveal the truth of why they were really there.
I've owned this house for 21 years.
Okay. Do you know Kyle?
Kyle. Yes. That makes. There we go. That's why I'm like, I know you're not here for a 911 thing.
That's what
No. Okay, yeah, no, he has not been here for months. I've cut off all contact with him. Like,
Yeah, he visited
like in
early summer.
I was gonna say like back August, maybe September. I think was the last time he was here. Was September.
Do you know where he's at right now?
Nope.
He's,
Last I heard, he was in Ohio. That was the last time I talked to him.
he's not in your room.
No, God no.
I just that's why, you tell us, you look everywhere we're not here. That kind of leads us to think that maybe he's here, but
No,
I just don't want to see you guys get caught up in like harboring a fugitive if you guys do know where
Absolutely
he's
not.
at.
I'm not surprised. In all honesty,
I own this house.
Yeah,
There's no
no.
way. He is not welcome in my home.
No, we
already drew that line in the sand.
Yeah, no.
We got called, I think, from an agency from like Florida or something requesting.
That's
requested
weird.
a check. So
I was just saying, like, it's been a while since he's been here. I'm like, he was supposed to get his location moved. I don't know if he ever did. Like, I don't know where he's at. Last I heard, he was on a job doing, like, crew or something at a music festival in Ohio. That was the last time I talked to him.
how long ago was that?
Like, September-ish.
Okay.
As it turns out, the man they were looking for had allegedly failed to check in with his probation officer, but after the incident, it was revealed that he had notified his PO that he was working out of state and that there was never a 911 call. Furthermore, the man had never lived at this house and had only stayed there for 3 weeks, long before this encounter.
Alright guys, well I appreciate the cooperation, and like I said, that's the real reason.
All right.
Well, thank you.
I'm an honest man, I promise.
I'm not a dumb woman, so I appreciate
Thank you for being honest. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Why are you so nervous around us?
And that is fucking why.
Having been a victim of domestic violence, Panda has sought therapy and is hypervigilant when in her own home, always questioning whether someone is looking into her windows. In the end, after the two unsuspecting women allowed the two men inside their home, Officer Southwell still questions whether the man that they were looking for was inside.
He's in there.
Ironically, the only two liars in this scenario were Officer Southwell and MacLaughlin. If an officer has a lawful reason to enter your home, they will, whether you open the door or not, which is why many attorneys will tell you to never answer the door in the first place. However, if they do initiate contact, and you find yourself in a position where they are asking to come inside and you don't know your options, don't rely on the officers to be honest with you, as the United States Supreme Court has already affirmed the legality of deceptive interrogation tactics by police. Instead, in a situation like this, you can be connected to an attorney in under 30 seconds, allowing them to speak to the officers through a Zoom call, while simultaneously recording the encounter. To learn more, visit attorney-shield.com and become a founding member to help us launch the app. Encounters like this don't have to happen anymore. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. And of course, if you like this investigation, be sure to check out one of my others, linked on screen.